Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Education. Super 100 Basic One-Liner GK General Knowledge All Exam Useful 09. General Science GK Top 10 Very Most in Question and Answer Down Triangle. K86. Goiter disease is caused by the deficiency of deficiency of thyroxine. K87. The antibiotic penicillin is obtained from from fungus. K88. Where is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. K89. What does the air conditioner control? Temperature and humidity. K90. What is the meaning of DOS in relation to computer? Disk operating system. K91. What is the name of the world's largest computer network? Internet. K92. What is in the alloy Bill Dhatu? Copper 80% and tin 20%. K93. From which gland are life-saving hormones secreted? From adrenal. K94. Deficiency of niacin leads to which disease? Of pellagra. K95. 1 megawatt-hour MWH is equal to how many joules? 3. 6 times 109 joules. K96. The disease of AIDS is spread by whom? By virus. K97. Parsec is the unit of which? Astronomical distance. K98. What is called power alcohol? Alcohol. A mixture of benzene, petrol and ethyl alcohol. K99. Which non-metal is the best conductor of electricity? Graphite. K100. Which gas is called laughing gas? Nitrous oxide NO. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.